Gaura Hari. Welcome to our channel Devotional Dishes, from Prasādaṁ to perfection. First of all, we would like to offer our humble obeisances to our spiritual master, His Divine Grace Mahamandleshwar Mahant Sri Krishna Balaram Swami Prabhupada. Secondly, we offer our humble obeisances to Lord Jaya Śrī Rādhe Govinda. Last but not least, we would like to offer our humble obeisances to Shri Vrindavan Dham and all the devotees.
It is our spiritual master's wish for us to share our experiences with cooking pure vegetarian food. Through this channel, we will share our knowledge and try to inspire you. Here at Devotional Dishes, we will make videos with recipes which can result in a peaceful living according to the Vedic scriptures. Devotional Dishes is all about uplifting one's soul through cooking and eating healthy food in a spiritual way by connecting this to the Supreme Lord. According to the Vedic scriptures, the name of the Supreme Lord is Krishna. By offering food to Krishna, one becomes purified and can be happy by following a karma-free diet. Pure vegetarian food is food without some specific ingredients like meat, fish, egg, onion, garlic, mushroom, turmeric, carrot, beetroot, and red lentils. People often ask us if we don't miss out anything by being vegetarian. There's a lot more into vegetarian food than one might think. Being vegetarian doesn't mean one misses out on delicious food. On the contrary, we would like to welcome you all to our first delicious dish on Saturday 29th of July. Till then, be healthy, stay tuned, and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jaya Śrī Rādhe.